Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today at mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas. I'm coming to you from Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of showing you one of my favorites, a Chevelle. Yes, another Chevelle. Very popular, very nice car. This is a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. It's been made to look like an SS, but this was a regular Chevelle that originally came. So now this car has been gone through a lot of mechanical upgrades, which I'll share with you today. The paint on the car is code 53, which is a Cortez gold metallic. That's the color of the car. We had the 95% of this car just repainted last week, and it does look gorgeous. There are no scratches, dings anywhere on my paint job. Beautiful, beautiful setup. As you can see, rally wheels, 15x8s in the back, 15.7s in the front, nice fat tire. All the wheel well openings are in great condition, along with all the trim along the vinyl top, which shows no bubbling underneath. Very, very preserved vintage muscle car. This is a 2-owner car, and it came out of California, and we have the original registration from 1971. Front power disc brakes, but again, wheel moldings are good. These are original bumper, chrome bumper, front and back for the car. Turn signals are original, bezels and the grille all original to the car. The SS logo was added. Hood pins, beautiful setup on this car. Look at the reflection in the paint, really nice, just completed. There you go. You can even read off my shirt there. Excellent setup. Love the color. It does grow on you. Beautiful stance on this car as well. Check out the rear chrome bumper I wanted to show you. Again, this side vinyl top, perfect as well. Dual exhaust, nice chrome rear bumper. Nice reflection. Body lines are all there, really nice. Let's check out the engine compartment. Actually, let's first check out the interior. Door jambs look really good. Door panels are really good condition. It's just a little dirty. We haven't detailed the car yet, but it will be fully detailed before it gets shipped out. Nice bucket seats, center console. There's everything there. Nice dash pad, tight headliner with the dome light working. Right back there will need to be a little bit more tighter on the sill door. What do you call that? Rear package tray or sail panel. 6x9s in the rear deck lid. Nice weather stripping all around. Let's actually check out the trunk. Again, we'll have this all detailed. There's your spare tire and jack assembly. Here are your original, you can't see them right now, but they're right underneath there, the original stampings for the quarters. Here's the passenger side original stampings. They're much clearer than the other side as well. There you go, guys. Very clean original sheet metal. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out the engine compartment now. Booyah! 502. If you guys never had a muscle car with a 502 crate engine in it, well, this could be your first. If you had them in the past, then you're saying to yourself, why did I sell that car? That's how good these engines perform. So this particular one has power steering, front power disc brakes, aluminum heads, hooker headers, 4-barrel intake. I mean, a 4-barrel carburetor with an aluminum intake. Sorry about that. Pulley system, air filter, MSD setup on the ignition, AC Delco battery, dual fans on the Be Cool radiator. Just a beautiful, clean setup on the engine compartment. Let's fire it up. So, as you can see, the radio does work. So in the car, 2 pumps, fires right up. As you can see, the big Chevy RPM tack. Horn works. Wipers function. Lights do work. Speedo works. There's your left turn signal and your right turn signal. Defrost and heat do work. Air conditioning no longer in existence. JVC CD player, and there's some extra, well, the important meters there, gauges. Nice center console, nice dash pad, like I said earlier. So here's how it sounds with the exhaust closed. And then you open up the center glove box and you hit this button, you go upward. Now listen to it. Started to sprinkle a little bit. Trying to be a good boy here. No rattles in the car. Everything performs as it should. Turbo 400 shifts excellent. It's got a mild shift kit in it. Thing's a beast. You guys, if you want to know more about the 502, go ahead and definitely Google it and you'll find out more info on it. We're going to get back to the shop. This thing is potent, man. Woo! That's why you buy a 502 car, guys. This thing is nice. If you need delivery, call me, text me at 847-848-1850. If you need financing, not a problem. If you got good credit, I can get you approved. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. MGMClassicCars.com.